The energy is going to stay great whether it's foggy, whether it's raining, whether the sun is out. Doesn't matter. All right, we're here to teach. One of the things I want to talk about today, all right, over here at Credit Clear North, is having $100,000, at least $100,000 worth of available credit limit at all times. All right, that's very important, especially due to any emergencies. All right, see, as far as this pandemic, you really don't know what could be happening at any time. So to be safe, you want to have at least $100,000. How do you do that? All right, one of the ways to do that is having about 10 different credit cards equaling up to about $100,000. That's how you get there. All right, now what people are going to say is that may not be that easy, getting a $10,000 credit card. It's not that easy, but at the same time, it can be if you know which credit cards to apply for, which ones to open up. All right, there's credit cards out there that actually go up to even $80,000. You just got to know which ones they are. That's where Credit Clear North